all the way from South Carolina, y'all. I got my good man right here. I don't know if y'all ever heard him tell jokes. If y'all don't follow him on Twitter or Instagram, please do after this. It will keep y'all laughing. So up first on the People of the Word stage is gonna be my good man, my main man, Sleeper. Come on up, baby. Come on up, baby.
Y'all better give me some snaps. I drove like 5 hours. Other than snapping things, as you can tell, I'm a weirdo. I snap with my pinky. I don't know if that makes sense or not. You know, that takes away from my thug card. All the way from South Cackville with mosquitoes the size of bats. Y'all don't know shit about that. I love the ratchet that Norfolk offers. Like, driving through Park Place gave me so much material to come up here. First of all, if World Star Hip Hop infects your community, you're fucked, my nigga. Like, move. The minute you see your city on World Star Hip Hop, just know you are officially doomed.
Word.
World Star Hip Hop, for those who don't know, not picking on you because you smoke pot, but you're not niggas, so you hang around niggas. Just consider these the good Negroes. These are the ones that be on the porch right about now. Them niggas on World Star Hip Hop will be on the cotton field. That's why Master caught their ass and put them out there for a reason. They be gonna fuck his wife, gonna fuck his daughter. You can't put niggas around your children. You ever went out with your homeboy? He done seen a 14-year-old girl and he like, damn, she got a fat ass. Yeah. You wouldn't have put around my daughter. Your godfather rights is completely void right now. You see what I'm saying? Like, you gotta test your homeboys because they might be going through a phase in life. Like, I go through phases. Like, most of y'all met me through my pothead phase. If we ever smoked, we had some good time. The thing about high school fame is it never lasts outside, like when bills hit. Like you still got pretty girls that walk around and still think that their looks is gonna pay a bill. I'm sorry, Dominion Power does not show up and be like, damn, you fine. You know this month don't even worry about it.
I wish.
That shit don't exist like that. And see, I represent Team Ugly to the point like they don't understand what I mean by Team Ugly. Like, when I approach a female, in my mind, I rate you 3 times already.
Oh, shit.
I already rate you 3 times, so you don't give me some pussy. Like, and Webbie's song, Give Me That Pussy, is always playing in my head. I'm sorry. Like, you can't tell an ugly nigga, no, we gon' stalk you, yo. I'm gonna be in your inbox every morning saying good morning in 7 different languages. Like, you might as well just get used to my ugly ass on you. I'm telling you, by the time I give a girl the pipe, she's gonna chase ugly niggas for the rest of her life. Your baby daddy, he might be the prettiest boy you ever met after me. Because once I get it, it's over, yo. My penis gonna be dug in on them ovaries. I'm telling you. I go through phases, man. I was a porn star in one of my phases of my life, Wesley Pipes. You know, shout out to West Coast Production. You don't know who Wesley Pipes is, you ain't dicking your girl down right. I'm telling you, man, Wesley Pipes will talk shit to you. Yeah, it's my dick playing xylophones on your ribs right now. You know what I'm saying? Wesley Pipes don't just fuck what he said. Only nigga I know fucking with 2 pistols tattooed right here and gold teeth. Like, keep the socks on too, man. Keep the socks on. I'm telling you, you better try stuff these porn stars is doing. If not, it's nasty niggas out there. You gotta find out which one of your homeboys eat ass. And for him, it gotta be a cover full of nothing but red Dixie cups. Cause he ain't drinking from your real glass. That nigga's drinking from the Dixie cup. If you eat ass and you my homeboy, I'm sorry. You are drinking from a Dixie cup. I'm sorry. Tap water for you. You're not fucking up my Kool-Aid. I'm sorry. Especially when they follow Lil Wayne. I don't understand why girls wear jeggings now. Jeggings, my nigga, how you gonna pack a pistol with jeggings? I just don't get it. Like, I really don't. What is hip hop coming to? Like, we went from Easy E to Weezy Wee. Like, how did this happen? Hey, gangsters, there's a nigga with a song called Pop That Boy Pussy.
Oh, man.
I'm pretty sure it's not what Biggie wanted. But then again, Biggie said some gay shit too, and I'm sorry. Biggie said, you look so good, I'll suck your daddy's dick.
Hey, yo.
That fine. You, man, you a beauty. But I'm pretty sure your daddy dick ain't that damn fine. Fuck that. Alright, y'all, I ain't gonna waste too much of your time. I just want to get up here and randomly rant. That's my time, legacy and sleeping. You know what it is.